You have to keep faith. Be strong. There's no time for rest right now. We are still within the confines of the evil forest. Pico.
No. For my strength fails me.
Let me help you.
You know that is not possible. It's not possible. Let's go, we'll manage.
Yes, go. It is on. Izu? I owe you my life. Follow me on this journey. Darling, I thank you, Ibunuke.
I have to do it. I told you this will go successfully, but you did not believe me. You doubted it. Ifogonia. Now Umaro will have a new king once this talks is delivered. And that king is you, my friend.
Hey!
Obiako the king.
Hey!
King Obiako.
Thank you. It wouldn't have been possible without you. Hello.
No. I did this for my sister, who will in a few days be the queen of our land. What is it? Is that not what you want?
No. Izu, I don't have any intention to marry Ogechi, your sister.
How do you mean?
I don't love your sister. And I told you before that I am not ready to settle with any woman.
Now you have to change that decision. Because you are about becoming a king. And a king is never complete without a wife. Imaro!
Izu, even if I were to settle with any woman, it would not be Ogechi. Because I do not love her. Pardon me.
Obiako!
If you risk your life on this journey because of that, I'm sorry.
Obiako, Obiako, I have boasted severally to my friends of how my sister is going to be the next queen of our land. My sister boasts to go no Obiako. She boasted to her own friends. Waiting for you. For you to come and ask for her hand in marriage.
I'm sorry, I do not love your sister.
Yeah.
I can't marry her.
Obiako, I see you do not deserve the kingship of Umaro.
Izu, we're just talking man to man. Biko, set your sword aside. There's no need to fight.
I will not watch you. I will not watch you insult.
Ah!
Obiako. 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 Obiako!
Please, Uremma, you have to push. Yes. I have to push. You need it. You need to push. He's coming. Make your husband proud of you.
Where's my husband? Please. Where is my husband? He's supposed to be here with me.
Push. Push. Push.
I can't do this.
Come on, push.
Please, be cool.
Push. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Push. Yes. Try now. You can do this. Push. Hey. Push. You can do it. Yes. It's
no. Where is that stupid man? Obiako Namo!
Push.
Hey!
Uremma.
Is anybody here?
Push. Uremma, push. Uremma.
Oyenia?
Push.
I need my husband.
Where have you been since morning? Your wife has been in labor.
My wife?
Yes.
Please, I need to get to Umaro village. That's where I'm going
Wife
to.
needs you inside. You have to come inside. She needs you by her side. Please.
What's happening here?
Uremma.
Hey, I need my husband.
Push.
I need my husband. Hey!
Push.
Hey! Obiako now!
Push.
Push!
He's coming. Push. Push.
I need to get back home now. I need to get back to Umaro.
Obiako.
I see lightning, I see blood, I see fire in the midst of the throne. I see thunder, I see word, I see betrayal.
I'm finished, though. I'm finished. What have I done? Why will the gods of our land take my child from me? Why? Hey! I'm finished. I'm finished now. I've learned how to carry my child. I've learned how to breastfeed my child. After 9 months, 9 good months.
Uremma, stop it. It's okay. We cannot question the gods.
You have to pull yourself together. You did your best.
We cannot question the gods.
Maybe it is the will of the gods.
Okay.
Why will it be the will of the gods? Why? After 9 months, it's the will of the gods.
Woman, I am deeply sorry for your loss. Accept my sympathy.
Woman, you're sorry for your loss. Obiako, so it's not our loss. So it's not our child. You're telling me, Obiako, you are even the cause of my problem. Obiako, where were you when I was in labor? Obiako, we are talking about my child. Our baby that I carried for 9 months. You're telling me you are sorry. Because shut up.
I think there is a mix-up here. I am not your husband. I don't know you, and I am...
Shut up!
I must go
You
now.
were the cause for this.
Hey, Obi.
You caused this. You caused it. Why did you leave the house without telling me? Why did you leave the house? Where were you when I was in labor? I had to scream, shout before the neighbors could come to my rescue. Useless husband. You are telling me, woman. You are sorry.
Oh, who are you? What's your name?
Ha! Once again, what's your name?
There is famine, there is strife, there's a price to be paid for the crown. I see justice, I see hope, I see love in a faraway land.
Obiako, good morning.
You know my name?
Obiako, please, I'm really sorry I couldn't come to visit you with my husband yesterday. But I promise that as soon as I drop this pot of water, I'll rush to your house to see your wife. And I'm very sorry about the death of your child. I know it's a very painful thing, but please take heart, Obiako.
I do not have a child. I do not know what you're talking about. I am not married yet. Maybe you're mistaking me for someone else.
Obiako. Is everything okay with you?
I'm fine. Please, how do I find my way to Omaro village? That's where I'm from.
Omaro?
Yes.
Never heard of such town in my life. And you said you're from there?
That's where I am from.
Obiako, please. Go back home to be with your wife. And you need to rest to get back your senses. I'll see you when I get to the house. And I'll tell my husband I saw you too.
What's yours is yours, what's mine is mine.
Is she trying to say that she has not heard about Umaro before? How come no one in this village seems to know where Umaro is? I will definitely find one person. Somebody that knows where Umaro is. How is it possible that nobody in this village knows where Umaro is? How can Umaro's existence vanish suddenly? What is happening? Gods of my ancestors, help me. How can I even go back to a woman I don't know as a wife? What will I even be saying to a bereaved woman? How do I start? How are you feeling now? Should I get you hot water? Huh? Please talk to me.
Ure, do I look sick? I'm fine.
It's okay. Please, is Obiako at home?
Your mad friend didn't tell me where he was going to.
Huh? You mean he left him since morning?
Yes, that's how he has been misbehaving. Go and talk to him. Talk to Obiako. You see all this nonsense he's doing in this house? I will not take it any longer. Guyoku. Boy, I'm meeting.
It's okay, my dear. You know, it's because of this his strange behavior. That's why I wanted to talk to you about it.
Because of his strange behavior. Yeah. He's only pretending. Your mad friend is a pretender. I lost my child because of him, because he was not there to give me the help I needed at that point. Instead of him to stay at home and pamper me, talk to me like his wife and make me happy, he's there walking up and down like a homeless ghost. Advise him. Advise Obiako, because this way he's going now, I will make sure he does not experience peace even for a second in this house. Talk to him.
It's okay. I will talk to him. Oh?
You better do.
I wanted us to go fishing, but since he's not at home, I will look for him.
Oh?
Please, don't start to get worked up. Oh? Don't start now. Let me look for him. Oh?
Best of the same feather. Talk to your friend though.
Obi, Ewo, my son, I heard what happened to you. I'm very sorry for your loss, eh? I am sure that the gods will still bless your wife with another child. And both of you will have another baby. Okay? Please take heart. Eh?
All right.
I'm going for the elders meeting. Okay?
Okay.
Take heart. Huh?
I will. Thank you.
Obi? Now you go. Obi? Obi? What is wrong with you now? What is wrong with you? You left your wife at home and you are here on the road receiving condolence when you're supposed to be seated at home. Eh? What is it now?
I'm sorry. What's that your name again?
Huh? Obiako. Obi, what is it now? What is all this madness? Eh? You're not the only person that has lost a baby now. Try and understand yourself. I wanted us to even go fishing so that you will take your mind off this whole thing.
I'm not going fishing with you. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know who you are. Who are you? Please, I need your help. I need to get to Umaro village. I need you to direct me. Please.
Obi?
My kingdom is at stake. I need you to direct me to Umaro, please.
Listen to me, Obiako. Please, get back home. Go back home. Go and be with your wife now. What is all this? What is Umaro? That woman is aggrieved. She's in pain. You're supposed to be with her, not here talking about a place that doesn't exist. Obiako, let's go. Obiako, move. Please, go back home. This is the kind of thing you do now. You don't know when you started running mad. Go home. What are you mentioning names of places that are not existing? Are you the first person that lost a baby?
Come back here. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
I'm sorry. I went out.
Sorry for yourself. You are sorry. Obiakonam, you are sorry. Is that all you have to say?
I've been going around looking for a way out.
A way out of Guinea? A way out of what, Obiakonam? I've always known you are a very wicked man, but I never knew you are also heartless.
I'm really sorry. That's...
Okay, you're sorry for your useless self. I lost a baby I carried in my womb for good 9 months because of you. What did you do? Nothing. All you do is walk around like one foolish man that is very senseless.
I'm sorry again. Please, what's your name?
My name is Amoma. Ask me that question again. Ask me again. You're asking me my name. So you don't want to come out of this madness. You do not want to come out of this madness, Obiakonam.
If I knew your name, I wouldn't be asking.
John.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Go to the kitchen. There's Oda, Oziza, Ose, Nu, and Yam. Prepare porridge for me. Now. Ebukwenoge.
I cook?
I don't care. Go and make it. Go and make it. Go and make something for your wife. Make food for your wife, idiot.
Hey, my husband. You're back.
Yes, I can do.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay.
I can see you worked so hard at the farm today.
Yes, so and I was able to cover a whole lot despite going alone.
Oh.
Is there anything for me to eat?
You went alone?
Yes.
How about Obiako? He didn't go to the farm with you.
You are right, though. He's still in deep shock. He has forgotten a whole lot of things. He didn't come. He didn't come.
It's a pity. May the gods of our land help him out of this one.
You see?
I told you, I was surprised when he met me on the way from the stream. And he was asking me of Umaru Kingdom, telling me that he's from there.
Just imagine. Eh? He's still in very deep shock over the loss of his baby. That is what I have come to understand. He's forgetting a lot of things. Do you know, he left his wife at home and was busy parading everywhere. I had to caution him to go back and stay with his wife so that Ure will not feel alone. You know how she behaves. I just hope Ure understand. Please, find me something to eat.
Let me just rush the big distance so I can prepare you.
Please, I need it.
The gods of our land will help him out.
Let me put these things
inside. Okay. You're welcome again, my husband.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
For how long will I continue like this? Eh? Nobody seems to know where I am from. No one knows Umaru. I have gone to all the neighboring villages. Yet no one knows. How can I get lost like this? Everyone here seem to know me. How did I get to exist here? When? Now I am stuck with this troublesome woman. I still believe this is a dream. Yes, I am dreaming. I just have to play along with this dream. I believe I will wake up someday.
Obiakonam!
I'm bringing it. I just wanted to.
Obiakonam, what is keeping the food? Do you want hunger to kill me before you bring the food?
I'm coming. Just.
What are you waiting for? Open the food now. Hey!
Sorry.
You are not romantic at all.
Sorry.
Obiakonam. Chimo. What is this?
Osikapa?
Eh? Osigim? Is this what I asked for? Obiakonam, I told you to make porridge yam for me. There's otaze, there's uzuza, there's yam. Why did you change it?
I don't really know how to cook. So I thought Osikapa would be easier for me.
You are mad. You are mad. So you will not tell me you're sorry. You don't want to tell me, you don't want to apologize for doing this to me, right?
Well, that's what I've been saying. I'm sorry.
And you're standing up. You're standing up. You're not humble. You're not a good man. You're not romantic. Some men, when they offend their wife, they will go on their knees. Oh, I'm sorry. But my own husband cannot do it. You are too proud. You are too proud. Ikaku. So you cannot kneel down and apologize to your wife. Mandi when they say hand, all in the name of love. But you don't love me now. You don't love me. That's why I don't want to kneel down and say, I'm sorry, Obi.
Uremma, I'm sorry.
Uremma, you're sorry. Instead of you to kneel down and go straight to apologize. At the nonsense rice you prepared for me to eat. Please take this out of my sight and go and make porridge jam for me. Make sure it's very salty. Add pepper, enough pepper. Taste. Idiot. And before you start cooking, go and bring broom and sweep here because I chokam kijine bekasim naro. Cannot take care of your wife. Every time you be making me to shout like a mad woman. Quiet woman like me. So you cannot tell me you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
You tell me I'm beautiful.
You're beautiful. You know at least it is.
Shut up! Every time you be stressing me. Peaceful, quiet woman like me. What have I done? Why can't you show me love for once in this house? Am I not a good wife? Am I not a good wife for Obiako? What have I not been doing to make you happy? Can be stubborn. Obiako must not put water for me to take my shower. And he's there, snoring like a lost cat. Obiako, stand up. You are saying, why no? Don't you know you're supposed to wake up on time, sweep this compound, boil water for me to take my bath? Imaro.
Hey, Urem, I'm so tired. From yesterday's work,
Please shut
so
up your mouth.
Yesterday.
You're tired, lazy man like you. It's
I
only
overslept.
fun, You overslept. Why won't you oversleep? Why won't you oversleep when you are lazy, lousy? And when they fed them, it's so fun, You are mad. Go and boil water for me to take my bath. Hot water is but a miracle kid with the siam nazo because my body is aching me.
Okay, I'll go and fix it.
Come back here. Come back here. So you didn't know I'll brush my teeth. Who can go and get me chewing stick? Hey, Obiako and Obiago, come. My back. Massage my back, yes. I say massage, not beat. Hey, my leg is itching me. Scratch my leg. Scratch.
Mama, Obiako is really getting on my nerves. He's looking for my trouble.
I'm surprised. How could he leave this house without telling you his whereabouts? He no longer cook for you anymore.
Mama, I'm equally confused. He's been acting strange since I lost my child, which he was the cause of.
What could make him behave this way?
I can't tell. Mama, you needed to see the poison he prepared last night, all in the name of dinner. The oil wasn't enough. No pepper. It was too salty. Why?
What is all this? What is all this, Mama?
See, calm down. Oh, I'll talk to him.
You better do. Else, the whole neighborhood will rush to this house because I'm going to deal with him.
Calm down. By the way, where could he be?
He didn't tell me where he was going.
My daughter told me that you have been behaving strangely to her. And I want to know why. I'm talking to you.
Did she say I've been hostile to her?
I never used that word. But whatever is your reason for doing so, I want you to understand that she's your wife. And it's your duty to take good care of her. Especially in this moment of grief. Listen, I understand that things have not been easy with you. But I want you to pull yourself together as a man. I've mourned my grandchild. I want us to move on with life.
Oh, you're her mother?
Of course I'm her mother. I don't understand.
Mama, I have heard all you said. The truth is, things have not been, easy for me, for us.
Yes.
I mean, since we lost the child, and I don't know what to say, Mama.
It's okay. It's okay. I know my daughter nags, and she's very troublesome. But I want you to always take care of her as you've done. I pray the gods will bless her with another pregnancy.
You see?
Sorry for your loss.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you for coming.
I brought a plot of fresh mangoes.
Are you sure this one will be sweet?
It is. Take it.
What's on
Enjoy. Welcome. How are you?
Obiako, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank the gods I was able to locate your house. I need your help urgently, Osondo.
Any problem?
Uremma has demanded for palm wine, and there is none in my house. I don't have money to buy, neither do I know where the market is.
Palm wine. Yeah. Obi, you are one of the biggest palm tree owners in this village now. Both the ones you inherited from your father and the ones you bought. So, I don't understand. How?
You mean I own palm wine trees?
You mean you don't know? Obi, what is wrong with him now?
My husband, please assist him. I'm sure his wife will be waiting. We'll discuss this upon your return. You know how Uremma behaves. Please, help him.
Osondo, I need your help. Help me get palm wine immediately.
No, you don't have to beg me. Please. Let me get my rope. It's so that the thing is confusing.
Please hurry, oh.
Obiako, do you know you're useless? Do you know you're very, very senseless? Look at the pepper soup I asked you to prepare. The salt is not enough. Because you weren't paying attention when you were making it. What is it? What is it? What are you trying to do?
I want some.
You want some? You are not ashamed of yourself. Look at it. One plate of anuj. That is all you could make for your lovely wife. Don't you know that this won't be enough for me?
But
don't you know?
That's all I made. I am hungry. I've not had dinner.
Are you mad? Why will you make only this? No, why will you make only this? Tell me. Don't piss me off, oh. Don't you dare piss me off.
You can have it all. It's fine.
This man, Uchi, will not allow me to eat it in peace. Idiot, useless man, lazy man like you. Your mates will go there. Buanunchi time. You will roll for nothing. You may see Syria.
Sorry, I've been meaning to ask you. What happened to your eye?
Obiako, if you ask me that question again, thunder will strike you dead immediately. Don't ask me that question again. Don't you dare in your miserable life ask me that question again.
But I don't know, that's why I'm asking now.
You don't know because you are demented. Massage my back. Look at small that I prepared for you. You did not see the big one to kill. This one that you killed. You did not see prepare everything.
There is something unusual about my friend Obiako. He seems to have forgotten all his properties. He can't even remember a single of them. He seems to have totally forgotten everything about himself. And it bothers me.
Are you serious? My husband, what could be responsible for such?
Akum, I don't know.
Hey.
That is the one I don't know, but I must find out. Because if I let it go now, that is how the whole village will start thinking my friend is mad. Maybe my good friend is now mad. You understand?
Did you say thinking? Also, Obiako is already behaving like a madman.
You see the thing I was saying.
See, I am very worried. I'm very worried because we know the way Uremma behaves. We do.
That is why I must do something very quickly. Because the way Obi is behaving, he seems somebody tampered with his brain. Maybe ritual or something.
May the gods of our land punish whoever is responsible for such.
He say.
Do you know that Obiako started asking people of a village that doesn't exist?
I just have to do something. That is what I need. Just have to.
This is madness, oh.
What are you doing here? No, tell me, what are you doing here? So is today you decided to come after all these days?
My dear friend, please, I am so sorry. I wanted to come 2 days ago, but it started to rain. Forgive me, please.
You're supposed to be with me, especially now that I'm mourning.
I'm so sorry, please, my friend. Please.
Sorry for yourself. I was mourning and you were nowhere to be found. You're my best friend. As a matter of fact, you're supposed to be with me morning, afternoon, and night.
Please.
But no.
My friend,
it was raining.
Sorry. Please, I'm on my knees. The gods of our land bear me witness. I cannot live in this state. But I had some challenges I was dealing with. Ure, please, I beg of you, forgive me, my friend, please. Please.
I've heard you. Stand up.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
My son has been buried.
I heard about it. Ure, I'm very sorry. Okay? And please, you have to take heart. Don't dwell on it too much. I'm sure the gods of our land will bless you with another child soon. Please, my friend. Okay? Please. Everything will be okay.
Thank you.
See, I brought you some mangoes. I know you love mangoes.
No, take.
Oh,
I'm
my
not interested.
Friend. My friend. Please, I just beg you.
I want oranges.
I need it soon.
Yes, I have to. I have to go back to my troublesome wife. I don't want her looking for me.
So, how long do I have to wait before you marry me?
Soon. I promise you.
Okay. Thank you.
Chima. Hi. Mana Cherukwe, was that just a dream? Hey. So Obiako has been cheating on me. That's the reason for his sudden change of attitude towards me.
And I didn't get to see the face of that woman he was cheating with. I'm married in the city we all stupid, useless girls. They cannot go and get their own husband. Obiako! Obiako! Obiako!
How long will this dream linger? Will I ever wake up to reality? No one knows I am here. I cannot reach my people cannot reach me. I'm just here wallowing in a strange land. And that woman, that strange woman, frustrating me in the house they say is mine. Where do I go from here? Where?
Obi, what are you doing here?
I've been thinking. I've been thinking of that woman. That woman, Uremma. She's been frustrating me, and anytime I see her, I feel like strangling her.
Obi. Strangling your wife?
She's not my wife. I don't know that woman. I don't know her from anywhere. You will say she's my wife. I don't know her.
So, this your sudden madness has begun again. Listen, strangling is an offense. You should know that. The village will hang you for it if they find out. So, learn to tolerate her. Learn to tolerate her. That's all.
I am tired of all this.
Wait. Where are you going to with these farming tools?
Well, what does it look like? I'm going to the farm.
You? Farm? How?
You showed me my farmland.
Yes,
I saw cassava there to be harvested. That's what I'm going to harvest.
Since when did the lazy Obiako that I know start to farm with his bare hands? Let me remind you, you always employ laborers to farm on your numerous farmlands. So, don't deceive yourself that you're going to do it with your bare hands.
You mentioned that I have numerous farmlands.
Yes.
What other farmlands, apart from the one you showed me, do I have?
Obi doko also. Obi.
Obiako nam. Obiako nam. So Obiako nam is not here. Chelukwa, Obiako nam is not here. Obiako nam that told me that he was coming to the farm is nowhere to be found around here. The dream I had is becoming reality. That was a revelation. So you didn't come to the farm. He lied to me. Go Abu Uremma. Obiako nam was a restaurant. But look at the farm now. Hey, Obiako nam, where are you coming from? Obiako nam, I'm asking you. Where exactly are you coming from? Where are you coming from, Obiako nam?
I've been in the farm since morning. Is there a problem?
Obiako nam, thunder body you going. Obiako nam, you are a professional liar, born liar. Which farm? Which farm? Oh, you're not aware that I went to search for you and I didn't find even your spirit there.
Ure, why would I want to lie to you? Why? I have been in the farm since morning with my friend Osondu.
Oh, because shut up your mouth. What will a lazy man like you be doing in the farm? It's only Hanem. It's only Hanem. I'm asking you. What can you do? Do you have strength? No. Can you cultivate?
I am not a lazy man. I am not a lazy man. I work with my hands.
Which?
I went to the farm today to my farm and I harvested cassava. That's it over there.
Cheruka, come here. You did what? You harvested this cassava.
All of it.
Do you think you can deceive me? The earlier you started telling me the truth, your friend that helped you to harvest this cassava, the better for me and you in this house. I cannot be easily deceived.
I don't know what is happening. I don't know why you cannot remember that I work hard in the farm. Why is everybody doubting that I can work in the farm? That's what I love doing.
Which woman did you go to visit? Which woman are you cheating on me with? Which woman? You must tell me her name. Obiako nam, you must tell me the woman that's been deceiving you in this village. You will tell me right now.
I have never. I don't know any other woman aside you. Who? I swear to you.
I know what to do. Let me go and meet your friend. I'm sure your friend will tell me the truth. I will disgrace you in this village. You think you can deceive me? You told me you were going to the farm. I went to the farm. I searched everywhere. You were nowhere to be found. You think you can deceive me? No problem. I'm going straight to your friend's place. Because I know you're lying. Can you just say nothing? Let me go to your friend's place and come back. The whole village. So what, bro? No problem. I know what to do. I know what to do to you. If I come back in this house, if so can you say nothing? Let me. Don't worry. You think you can go to anywhere you like? So what, bro? Let me go to your friend's place and come back. I'm sure you will tell me the truth. Let me go and get my information.
Why does she think I'm seeing another woman?
To be paid for the crown. I see justice. I see hope.
Obiako surprised me today. He has been surprising me for a few days now.
How do you mean, my husband?
He lost his ability to fish. That is one. Then he now gained strength to defeat 3 whole warriors, including myself.
Oh, Sandro, it's a lie. I don't believe you.
What will I gain lying to you?
Obiako.
I'm telling you something I saw. Today at the farm, he single-handedly harvested all the cassava. He was filling his basket like this. Oh.
I don't believe you. I mean, who in this village does not know Obiako to be a very lazy man? Osando, I think you're making this up. I'm not buying it.
I know he was a lazy man, but not anymore.
Are you serious?
I saw him. I was even the one begging him to go home. He refused. He was walking, clearing everywhere. All the cassava like this.
Obiako.
I saw it with my 2 eyes.
Obiako, walk.
He was not only that though.
Osando! Osando!
Ure, how are
Osando, Mama Kebezoku, were you with my husband at the farm today?
Yes, we were at the farm together.
So why did you allow him to leave?
No, he didn't leave the farm.
Osando, make sure you are not lying to me. Because if I find out you are lying to me, you will not like what I will do to you. Inania.
Ure.
Stay off this. Where did my husband go to? Where did he leave the farm to go to? My husband has started cheating on me, Okuya.
Ure, listen to me. Your husband was at the farm. All through. I saw him with my 2 eyes. He was just walking, harvesting. You should be proud of him now. He's very, very hardworking.
Osando, I hope you're not lying to me. Because if I find out you are lying to me, you will have me to contend with. So what?
What is wrong with this one?
I wonder.
My husband, please, what are you going to have for dinner?
Anything.
Urem, what is it?
Leave me alone.
What is it?
Let go of me. My eye is paining me.
Ewo, the wounded eye. Hey, I'm so sorry about that. What do we do now? Is there anything you usually apply on it to make it stop?
I don't know.
Hey, Ure, I'm not happy that you're in pain. It pains me to see you in pain. I just wish I can take the pain away.
I wish there's a way I will inflict the same pain on you, so you understand what I'm going through.
Yeah. Why do you say a thing like that now? I'm just trying to help.
Shut up. I used to be one of the most beautiful maidens in this kingdom. With suitors, rich suitors. I never knew I was going to end up with a pauper like you who dwells on his father's inheritance. A lazy man like you, Obiako.
Uremma, I am not a lazy man. At least you have seen it this past few days. How hardworking I am.
I've not seen anything. If you're trying to impress me with your sudden agility, you have failed. I'm not impressed, Obiakonam.
But I don't remember inflicting this injury.
Shut up! Get out. Get out! Out!
You're not going anywhere. Listen, you are going to the farm with me. Mama,
I'm not going to the farm with you. I will not step an inch to that farm. Get the yard. Every day, farm. Mama, today I need to go out. Can just solo made in Ibem. Letter Golie. You want me to die?
Uremma, you don't have the strength to go to the farm.
I don't have the strength, Mama.
But you have the strength to go and play with your fellow maidens. Okay? And you also have the strength to eat food. Listen, I don't want to waste my strength on you.
Mama, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not going to any farm with you. Get yours. Must I go to the farm every day? Farm. Farm it's for mothers like you. Odimma,
Uremma, must we eat all the time? Answer me. Must we eat? Look at me. At my age, I still suffer to go to the farm. When I have someone like you to help me out. Okay. Going to the farm is for more than Sokwea. When I for this farm, you go to the farm.
Hey, Mama, if you don't go, I don't want people to start saying that I'm beating my mother. Mama, leave me alone. Mama,
are you whining your hand for me?
Beat me,
Uremma. Beat me. Beat your mother. Shame on you. You want the neighbors to gather, let them gather. Shame on you, Uremma. Uremma.
Mama.
Where are you going?
Mama, I'm going to sleep. I'm tired.
Going to sleep? When we have a lot of work to do here.
Mama, I'm feeling sleeping.
Didn't you sleep enough last night? Listen, you slept more than enough. You're going nowhere. Get back to work.
Mami, you're looking for my trouble.
Uremma, we have a lot of work to do. So you are going nowhere.
Mama, I know. Just be walking. Let me sleep small.
Uremma! Hey. What type of a child did you give to me? What type of a child is this? If that is what you want, no problem. Can I want me? My eyes, I cannot see. I cannot see my eyes.
I'm so sorry. Wait, let me rush you some. Oh, yeah, get up, let me.
I'm sorry, I'm going to
Hey! I'm
What did you do to my daughter?
I didn't mean to. It was not intentional at all.
You didn't mean to. Look at what you lost.
I thought it was a bed. When I was trying to shoot down
it's again.
The bed, the stone now fell on her.
My daughter now looks like a bed. Human being has suddenly turned to a bed. Hey. Come here. Hey. How is she? Obiako. What happened?
Never be able to use the eye to see.
It's again.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Hi!
Did you hear that? She may not see with this eye again. Which means my daughter will.
Bring down the bed. Yes, and
whatever you must do, do it now.
I'm sorry.
My daughter's eye must bend down. Don't mama me. Bend down. Oh, let him apply whatever he needs to apply.
Everybody should stay away from me.
Mama.
Calm down. Don't mama me. Don't mama me. What's it for? Whatever.
Obi. Sorry.
What's yours is yours. What's mine is
just get some
mine.
rest and some sleep.
What
She'll
will
be
be
fine.
will be, and what won't be won't be. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Destiny may be delayed.
Adam, you are still crying. Eh? Please, you have to stop. Oh, Biko.
Mama, I wish I can. I can't. I can't control my tears. I can't believe I've lost one of my eyes.
Hey.
It's so painful, Mama.
I know. And I'm sorry everything turned out this way. But thank God you're alive.
What am I living for? I have nothing. Absolutely nothing to live for.
You have me, your mother, to live for.
Mama, I'm better off dead.
Eh? May the gods forbid. You can never die young, my child.
Mama, look at me. I used to be one of the most beautiful maidens. But they have ruined my life. They have destroyed my future. Mama.
It's okay.
Where is that stupid boy?
Please calm down.
Where is that idiot?
Calm down. He went to get more medicine from the herbalist. Listen. He has never rested since this happened. He has expressed his apology.
I don't need his apology. I need my sight.
Okay, Ozugo, please. There is nothing we can do about this. I'm even thinking of
Thinking of what? I'm thinking of him getting married to you. Yes. Mama. See, listen.
Mama.
Listen.
Has he gotten to that?
Listen. You and I know it's
Mama.
difficult.
Are you pushing me off?
No, I'm not, please. Don't say that. You and I know it's difficult to see a man that will marry a one-eyed.
I know.
Yes, please.
I know. You don't need to remind me. I know. I know my life has been shattered. I know. I know. I know.
Uzuko, stop crying, please. Just be strong for
I
me.
know.
Uzuko,
What have I done to the ghost to deserve this? I know I might be stubborn, but I know I don't deserve this.
It's okay.
Take.
What is this?
It's medicine.
Medicine for what?
It will help you remember. He told me you do forget things a lot. Just drink to help you remember things.
I don't want.
You think I want to poison you? See? It's safe to drink now. Take. It will help you remember a lot of things.
This is not why I called you here.
Just drink. He's okay. How do you feel now?
Same.
Same.
I still feel terrible about how Uremma spoke to me this morning.
What did she say?
She said I am responsible for her condition. That I was the one that caused it. She was just yelling in pain and crying.
You mean you've forgotten that too? You've forgotten the circumstances surrounding your marriage to her?
What circumstances? I cannot remember anything. I just felt so bad this morning when she was yelling and crying. I just was frustrated and...
Obi, see, you are the one that damaged her eye. Yes.
Me?
Yes. You were using catapult to shoot, and mistakenly the stone now hit her eye. That's what happened.
A catapult?
Yes.
I don't even have a catapult now.
You have a catapult. She's very correct.
Are you serious?
Yes. You've forgotten.
Obi.
Ole.
How are you?
I'm well. I'm well.
I hope all is well.
You're here.
Much.
Welcome, my husband.
Thank you. I hope all is well.
All is well, but for Uremma.
Ure?
I have decided to make things right with her. Since I realized what I did to her, though I do not remember, I want to go to the market and buy some wrappers so I can apologize to her properly.
That's very thoughtful of you, my friend. Very thoughtful. It's a wise decision.
So I intend to surprise her. But even Subu no way deketa, but I don't have money. You know, I don't have any coins to purchase the wrappers.
Why? Have you finished the money already?
What money? I don't have any money.
Yeah. You mean you no longer remember where you hid your money? That one too?
There's a place where I hide my money. I did not know about that. Please now, or something, come and show me.
Hey!
I need it urgently. Please.
Wait, Obi. So, does this mean the concussion I bought and gave to you did not work?
Happy Five. What concussion? I told you now, that concussion cannot have any effect on me.
Hey!
I only took it so that you will not be offended with me. Biko Ngwangwa, let's go.
No problem. No problem. Let's go. I will show you. Akum?
My husband.
I'll be right back, okay?
Go well.
Let me follow him and show him something. Let's go.
Go well.
Time for that.
Hey! Cut of our land.
Just when I thought it was getting better, only the God of our land knows what is wrong with this man. This is strange.
When did this start?
I started this morning.
That's why I decided to come and stay with you. Since the stupid man I called my husband doesn't want to stop playing dumb.
Where is he now?
I don't know. He didn't even tell me where he was going to. Mama, do you know that my husband, he's not that stupid man I live with, asked me how I got this injury.
It's again.
You heard me.
He asked you such a question?
Yes. Someone that caused me this pain, someone that damaged one of my eyes is asking me how I got it. Obiako is really getting on my nerves.
He has been acting strange recently. Something is not right.
I don't care if something is right or hey, I don't care if something is right or wrong. He better stop asking me all these funny, useless questions, else I'll be forced to retaliate.
It's okay. Oh, Ozugo, you'll be fine. I know you'll be fine. Mom, it's okay.
Obiako is looking for my trouble. Obiako is looking. He will just wake up and leave the house without telling me where he's going. Or the ma. Right? After they will say Uremma is a stubborn wife.
Don't start, Ozugo. Oh, Ozugo. Very good.
Leave this place. This is where you hid your treasures.
I hid something here.
Seeing is believing. Dig it. Dig it. It's all yours. Your money. It's still there, right? Yes. That's it.
I cannot believe my eyes.
I told you. These are all yours. Your own. It's your money. You worked for it.
It's a lie. How can?
You made so much proceeds from selling fishes. I used to tell you, you were a very great fisherman. Yes. And you made all this money from fishing. Obi, what happened to you?
I did not know that I made great fortune from selling fish.
What happened to you? You brought me here yourself, as your trusted friend, to show me this place. After the Igwe sent you to go and drop food for the warriors in battle. You brought me this place now. It's the same place. You measured it. You kept me there. It's all yours. You showed me this place in case anything happens to you. So it's your money. Use it to treat your wife, and you can keep the rest for rainy days. Never can tell.
Osomdo, you are indeed a good man and a great friend.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. But remember, keep some more for rainy days.
There is famine, there is strife, there's a price to be paid for the crown. I see justice, I see hope, I see love in the power.
Obiako, where have you been all day?
I went out to the market to buy these wrappers. I'm sorry.
Obiako, you denied knowledge of knowing what happened to me, as if I was born this way.
But that's why I'm saying I'm sorry now. I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. Let's start this way. I bought you wrappers from the market.
Really?
Yes.
All this for me?
Do you like them?
Yes, they are beautiful. Thank you so much.
Mbamba, Gubem, you shouldn't be telling me thank you. I should be the one thanking you for forgiving me.
Who said I've forgiven you? Please, stand up and go and make very pepperish pepper soup for me. Who said I've forgiven you? Okay, stand up! You heard me. I want it very sweet, pepperish, salty.
Ugobem, you know that I don't know how to prepare pepper soup to your taste.
Please shut up your mouth. You just forgot everything about yourself. Fool, useless man. Let's go to the kitchen. Let me go and direct you on how to do it. No mistakes. Hey, and where are you going to? So you don't know you will come and hold your wife. You don't know how to be romantic or where? I'm a mother. Please stand up, I'm not a baby. Hold my hand. You are mad. Go and get the wrappers, Biko. You annoy me. Obiako, you annoy me. See, when you keep on Omalichangwa, one Yoma, Ugebwen.
Omalichangwa, one Yoma, Ugebwen.
Why are you not smiling? Fool.
It's Bumai.
Make sure you prepare this pepper soup very well. Obiakonam, is everything all right?
Yes.
Yes. Why did you abandon the firewood you were breaking? Where are you even going to?
No, I wasn't going anywhere. I just wanted to chase the bird away.
That's it. I want to sleep.
Okay, go ahead and sleep when I'm done with the pepper soup.
No, I need to lay my head on your chest before I can sleep.
But I'm not done with the pepper soup.
I said I want to sleep. Are you deaf? Cannot even take care of your wife. Nyenzuzu, listen, when we go inside, you will cuddle me to sleep.
Okay.
After which you will come out here. Prepare the pepper soup for me. Make it very tasty, salty, and delicious. Then you come and wake me and feed me. Am I understood?
Yes. Ugobem.
You are so useless. Where are you rushing to? Am I not the woman? Am I not supposed to go in first?
I'm sorry. Ugobem.
Wait. Idiot. Oh yeah. See, let me tell you. It's high time you started respecting and petting me in this house.
Wait, my husband. Are you trying to tell me that Obiako did not know where he kept his treasures?
My dear, you need to see the surprise on his face when I showed him the spot and he dug out the money. He was totally lost. It's obvious, eh? You see that concussion I bought for him? He didn't work anything at all. He didn't work anything. I'm tired.
This is strange. Only the gods know what happened to Obiako.
Honestly.
My husband, I think you should patiently guide him. I believe that someday his senses will be restored. What do you think?
I hope so. I really hope so. I will continue to do my best. What can I do? Continue to do my best.
It's unexplainable. And are you going to the stream this evening?
What is it? Obiakona, what is it? Why are you?
How do I do that? What song do I sing?
I don't know. Look for one. Be fast about it. Stand up and sing till I sleep. Sit down, sit down. What I mean is don't lie down. You'll be singing. I'm not a baby. Obi.
Urin. I was not expecting that after my offense last night.
It's alright. I forgive you. I've missed your touch. So where are you going?
I am going to the farm.
You don't go to the farm every day.
It's what I love. I love to farm.
You love farm more than me, right?
No, that's not what I mean. You know I love you and only you. Nothing else. But let me go and walk. You know?
It's alright. Can I bring food for you at the farm?
That would be lovely. I cannot wait to eat your food. Please don't change your mind.
I won't.
Come
on, give me a hug.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay,
Be careful.
And bring the food though.
I will.
For now. Why ain't your mom?
Stupid girls. Who are you people laughing at?
Uremma, why are you asking us stupid questions? Eh? Why are you asking us stupid questions? And how do you know it's you we are laughing at?
Uremma. Me, I'm asking you a stupid question.
Yes, no. Uremma, you're asking us a stupid question. And don't add that one. Why would you be asking us such nonsense questions? Hey, please allow me to talk. Allow me to talk to her. Iko.
Impressive. I like your gut. It seems you're the only person in this village who has never heard anything about Uremma. And your father did not teach you manners. Why
is he calling my father? Uremma, please, we're sorry.
I'm sorry. Your manners.
Uremma, please. Why are you begging her? Why are you begging her on my behalf now? Please, I'm begging you. Don't even mention my father's name. I'm not going to talk, Biko. Anybody, I'm not intimidated by that look you're giving me. I am not at all. Why are you saying that, Koala?
Just somebody help! Please! Who are you talking to? Do I look like your name? Please, now you listen to me. Shut up. Remember, please, I thought you said you're not intimidated. I thought you said you're not intimidated. Somebody help! Please, now. Run your mouth. She's there.
Who is chasing you? Hope there's no problem.
There's a big problem.
Your wife, Uremma.
What happened to Uremma?
She's beating Okoro's daughter, and if you don't come, she will kill her.
Hey!
She thinks she can try me in this village. Eh? She thinks she can try me. Ojukwese.
Ure, can you hear me? Whose daughter did you have a fight with?
Don't mind that stupid and disrespectful girl.
So what happened now?
Ajuka says, Nama.
Where's that woman? Where's that stupid woman?
Nanyokoro, is it me you are referring to as a stupid woman?
What will I call you again? Why will you lay your hands, your filthy hands, on my daughter? What did she do to you?
Nai.
What did she do to you?
Nai, please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Why should I calm down? You think I'm like you, that the woman has already put in her wrapper? Eh? Don't tell me that, woman rapper like you. Does she have any right to touch my daughter?
I have all the rights to touch your daughter. If you are sensible, what you would have done is to come to this place and ask me, what did my happen?
I don't get to know what happened.
Oh, you don't want to
I
know
do
what
not
happened?
get to know.
Okay.
All I know is that you must not touch my daughter. You have no right to do that.
I have no right
to embarrassing hand on my daughter.
Eh?
Yes.
Nani Okoro. Aka. Otu osi makasia. Nani Okoro. You are mad.
Eh?
Nani Okoro, you are a big fool.
You're talking to me?
Nani Okoro, you are not sensible. You are a useless man.
Me?
Your daughter spat insults on me, on my personality, Uremma. Instead of you to come and apologize, you're here doing the same thing she did that made me to deal with her.
Who am I apologizing to?
Me, I'm only apologizing to. I will show you the person.
It's because you're a woman. It's because you're a woman. It's because you're a woman.
I am so sorry.
It's because you're a woman.
Oh,
I am so
I don't want to touch you because
I'm
you're
sorry.
a woman.
You are sorry. You are sorry. You are sorry that they insulted your wife. Tell me, is that why you're sorry? Is that why you're sorry? Okay. So what, you are sorry. You are sorry, Obia. Look at everyone you are sorry.
Mali, I can't go. I cannot take this insult and embarrassment anymore. What is it?
Wait to Obi. What happened?
I went home. Instead of Uremma to thank me for saving her from Maziokoro's troubles, she had the guts to slap me.
Just like that.
I don't know. I cannot understand where Uremma got such courage to lay her hands on me. Obiako, the greatest warrior of my land.
Obi, calm down. It's me you are explaining to. Right? Calm down. You remember I told you something? She's like your cross. The problem of your life. Yes, your life problem. You have to carry it with happiness.
Never. I damaged her eye. I married her. Isn't that enough? Is it not enough? Does it not also?
Have you forgotten she used to boast she would have easily gotten married to a prince or a king? Because she's beautiful.
Then she should go ahead and marry the prince, marry the king, whoever she wants. I don't care.
Obi, you have already damaged that opportunity. That chance has passed because her eye is already damaged. So the best you can do now is go back home. Manage your marriage. Yes, keep tolerating her. There's nothing more than that.
Mba, there's no way I'm going back to the house. She should stay there and live with herself. There's nobody that can live with Uremma. Is she the only pretty woman in this kingdom?
You have been tolerating her.
Today she's happy. Tomorrow she's very bitter. Oginede.
You have been tolerating her already.
I used to tolerate Uremma.
Yes?
I tolerate her slaps and beatings.
Listen.
What kind of man would that make me?
The kind of man that you are. That is Obiako. You have been given bigger embarrassment than this one. What is slap? No, what is slap? Just enjoy it. You understand? Make peace with her. Don't come and be shouting and getting yourself worked up.
There's no way I'm going back to the house. There's no way I'm going back to the house. Let her live there alone. Like she cannot live with anybody in that house. There's no way. Today she's all smiles and friendly and happy. Tomorrow she's bitter.
Ogenede. I'm your friend. I'm advising you. Don't abandon your house for any reason. This one is not the reason for you to abandon your house.
Obi, if she wants to live there alone, let her live. I don't even know how I became like this in the house. I don't know how.
You have to listen to me. You cannot abandon your house.
Where were you when this thing happened?
I was at the farm. It was your wife that came to call me that Uremma was fighting with someone. Before I got to the location, they said she just left. Got home, I saw her. We were talking when the man, came in.
You mean Nayoko?
Yes, that's what she said. His name is. I was surprised before they even said anything. Uremma pounced on this man and started beating him up.
Did you say you are surprised? Surprised? How?
I have not seen her exhibit this kind of character before.
Oh, wake up from this dream already now. Eh? Everybody knows Uri. Very troublesome. Your wife? Yes. She if she's not causing trouble today in the house, she's causing in the whole village. Everybody knows that.
May the gods deliver me from this woman.
Sorry. We are coming to your house.
What do you want from me? I'm heading to the palace to report Uremma to the king.
Hey.
Oh, yes.
Please, it hasn't got into that. It hasn't got into that.
I've never been assaulted the way she assaulted me.
I will caution her. I will caution her terribly. What she did is extremely wrong, and I'm not in support of it.
What you're talking is absolute nonsense. She had the guts to beat me and my daughter up. A titled man?
Nayoko,
please.
There's no need to please.
I will caution her. We are on our knees. Nayoko, we are on our knees.
Please come back so that we can talk man to man and settle this issue amicably. There's no point going to the Igwe. Please, Nayoko.
We will caution her today now.
This woman wants to put me in trouble in this village.
Obiako, where have you been since morning?
I have been around.
You've been around and you didn't even bother to check up on me. Is it fair?
Uremma, the last time I came back to this house, you embarrassed me.
Forget about that. Obiako, for crying out loud, I'm your wife. You have to support me even if I'm wrong.
Okay.
Obiako, I'm cold. I've been so lonely. Let's go inside.
Is that your own way of apologizing for what you did?
I'm waiting inside.
Hey. You're going to be why
mother. What happened? Chimo.
Mama, the gods are here. They don't need that noise.
Hey, Mama, is she sleeping? Mama, what happened to you? Mama, look at me now. Who your daughter is it? Mama, what happened to my mother? Mama, why is she lying like this? Why is she not saying anything to me?
Burike, what happened?
She was beaten by a poisonous cobra.
Cobra quoi?
Agwo.
And thank the gods, I was called in early.
Hey! Mama, I don't want the noise here. The spirits are here. Please.
Will she be fine at least?
Of course.
Hey. Hey. Mama. Mama. Hey, Mama. Mama.
Please, can I get Oji?
Can we get the lodge?
Hey. Oh. Mama. Mama, please talk to me now.
Woman, you would live here if you make noise.
There is famine, there is strife, there's a price to be paid for the
You can't cry yourself to death when Mama is still alive.
I don't want anything to happen to her.
Nothing. Nothing will happen to her.
You heard what the second herbalist said. He said the same thing as the former. Why my mother? Why snake bite? Why?
But that same herbalist said that he will remove all of the venom by tomorrow. He needs a certain herb to do it, and he has traveled to get it. By tomorrow he will be back and he would remove the venom and Mama would be fine.
For sure.
Yes.
I don't want anything to happen to my mother. She's all I have.
But you have me.
Kwabonye. Isoni ya neme. Onwureba. Nya sinde dipote bia kwuru.
Mama, take the water you asked for. I've brought it. Mama, you don't want to drink. Mama
Bikon, you don't want to drink water, you don't want to eat anything. Eh?
I don't know how long I will endure this pain.
Mama. Ndo, your body is hot. Eh? But I'm sure you will be fine. You will be alright. Ken don't want to be Yenka. Mama, relax. You think too much.
The pain has refused to go. And it's spreading all over my body.
Mama, you will be fine. Oh, Ndo, is it bonne? Ndo, oh, chalugo why? Ndo, you will be fine. How guanunga? Ajao. Mando.
Uremma.
Mama.
Promise me that whatever happens, you shall remain strong.
Mama, I should be the one telling you to be strong for me. You know I'm a very strong woman. Eh? Just be fine for me, oh?
Ure.
Mama.
you to do me a favor.
What do you want to eat? It's your gym man.
Please. Please. Forgive your husband of whatever he has done to you. Take him as your brother and a friend. I have no doubt. I will take care of you.
Mama, you know my husband is stubborn. I want to man not to teach you a lesson. Eh? But let's leave this and talk about it when you have fully recovered. Oh, Mama.
Very hard working.
Sorry. Mama, sorry. Hey, Mama, sorry. Mama, sorry. Mama, sorry. Herbalist! Mama. Hey! Efuomo! Don't talk about land Efuomo! Mama! Hey! Herbalist! Why not, sir? Mama, no!
Uremma, has madness suddenly besieged you? That you'll be shouting my name in public like that with so much disrespect?
Shut up your mouth, Nwokem. I'd rather accord the goat full maximum respect than to give it to you. Tell me, Modra, why did you kill my mother?
Killed your mother? Hi, Uremma. Now I can confirm my suspicion that madness has really come over you. Come on, get out of my way.
Nwokem, shut up your mouth. Don't you dare move an inch. You are the one who is mad. You're referring to me as a mad woman. You want to deny it, Okwia? You want to deny the fact that you killed my mother? And Mama, start telling me the reason you chose to murder my mother.
Uremma, Aradikwage. See, even if I had the power to kill, I would not kill your mother. I will start with a beast like you. Yes, because you don't even deserve to live. After what you did to my daughter, you deserve to be destroyed.
Osonda, I have been seeing a certain strange blackbird lately.
Blackbird?
Yes. Whenever it appears, it forces me to follow it. And when I try to, it disappears.
You mean it flies off?
No. It actually disappears.
Disappearance.
It usually comes whenever I'm alone. But let's wait and see if it will appear now.
We should wait.
Calm down.
I prayed. This thing is good sign, no? Because Nkem, what is it?
It's Uremma. She has started again.
What has she done this time?
Uremma almost killed the Chiokoro with her cutlass.
Ozokwa. Okuna fugo ya. Go no be one there.
Hey. Let's see. Where is that? Eh? Almost.
Jidieba, don't tell me that, Obiako. Don't tell me that. That heartless man killed my mother.
How sure are you about that?
I'm certain about it.
Okay. Even if you were so, should you not have taken laws into your hands? I was with you in this house last night.
This morning before I went to the stream, I was with you. Why didn't you tell me about your intentions?
Because I didn't want you to talk me out of it. My only regret is that I did not kill that man instantly. Yes, he must pay. He must pay for what he did to my mother.
Uremma, you do not know what you have done.
I haven't done anything.
Uremma.
I have not done anything, and I will still revenge my mother's death. I must kill that man.
The king sent us to fetch you immediately.
Is that your new way of greeting? Is that your new way of greeting? I'm asking you.
You better follow us to the palace. Else, we're forced to drag you to the palace.
Drag who? Drag who? Don't be deceived by your height, because it's obvious you are senseless, powerless, and you don't even have the strength. Let's go. Don't touch.
Sorry, I will talk to my wife.
Sorry for what? You know,
better caution your wife.
Hey, shut up. Listen, both of you. Go back to your palace and tell your king that if he's man enough, he should come to this place and drag me himself.
Be careful.
Else what?
Be careful.
What the king want to stop? Why are you pointing at me? Why are you? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Obiako. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. Obiako, you're looking for my trouble. Shut up. Obi.
Obi, you stay here.
Who will stay here? I'm not staying here. I'm not staying. I must go back to the house. Who is staying here? Stay here for what? Why will I stay here? I'm not staying anywhere. I'm not staying anywhere. Leave me alone.
What is the problem, Obi?
Osondo, the Igwe's guards were in my house not too long ago to arrest Uremma.
Hey, this is serious.
There's nothing serious about it. Absolutely nothing. I've told them to go and tell Igwe, the so-called Igwe, that if he's man enough, he should come and drag me himself.
Uremma, may I remind you are referring to our Igwe. He will have it decisively dealt with.
Asi. Why? No, tell me why. Am I a thief? What have I done wrong? See, if care is not taken, I will personally go to that palace myself and give Igwe 30 reasons I should kill that man. Hapaka. A man that murdered my mother, he doesn't deserve to live.
No, you have no proof of that one.
Exactly what I told her. The man is right to have reported you to the Igwe. And the Igwe is not going to take it lightly. No!
It's a big problem. But wait, what are we going to do now?
Please, Osondo, I want her to stay here with you.
Let
her be here. Let me go and answer the Igwe on her behalf. I don't want her going there to cause more havoc.
No problem. Do I look like a child to you? So I can no longer protect myself. That's why you dragged me here.
See, you have to listen to me on this one.
Listen to me.
This is the best decision we can make right now. Stay here while I can answer the Igwe.
Ure, please.
Obi is right.
Listen to your husband.
Jidenia.
He's right.
Jidenia.
Let him handle this. I promise to take care of you while you are here. Please, my friend. Please.
Take her inside.
Take her inside.
Ure, calm down.
What just say that?
Odum and Monuma, I greet you people.
Enya, we were actually on our way to your house.
I know that the king sent you, but I'm going to answer him.
It was actually your wife he asked for.
Unfortunately, my wife is not feeling too well today. So I would answer the king on her behalf.
Your wife had the guts to attack our father with a machete.
Huh?
Onoma, I am sorry.
Oh, shut up, Obiako. Shut up. You've been watching her all this while. You've condoned all her evil deeds against our father. And guess what? She just touched the tail of 2 hungry tigers.
I just apologized on her behalf.
Shut
I'm sorry.
Up! You and your wife are going to get it hard from us in this village. And we're starting with you.
Please, let's not do this. I have apologized on her behalf. I'm going to answer the Igwe right now. I don't want to fight you.
You're so... You don't...
Sorry.
Wait!
Okay, you're back.
Obi.
Welcome.
Thank you. How is he?
She's fine, but where's Obiako? Where's your friend?
He was thrown into the palace cage.
Gods of our land.
He volunteered to serve the punishment for his wife.
Why will he do that? Punishment for what exactly?
Uri,
Ezumori.
please, calm down, okay? You know how our king behaves.
I don't care. I don't want to know how he behaves. That king is looking for my trouble. That king is looking for my trouble. Why would he put my husband in a cage? Who gave him the gut to put my husband in a cage? For what? Did he not hear that Nayokoro killed my mother?
No, you just can't.
In fact, I'm going to do
Wait,
it.
no. You can't do that. That's not a good idea. Please. I'm sure your husband knows the implication before he chose to go to the king to take your place. You have to calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down, Ne. Calm down for what? Why would the king put my husband inside a cage? For what? For what? Did he not hear that Nayokoro killed my mother? Why would he do that? The king has spat on my face. I will show him that nobody spits on my face. Uremma. Come back. Leave me alone. Leave me back. Osandu.
You know, come and sit down, please.
Osandu, don't touch me. Osandu, don't touch me.
Papa, we tried our best. Will you shut your mouth? You should be ashamed of saying such a thing. Who in this village doesn't know that Obiako is a weakling? A man who is scared of children, who his wife beats very well.
Papa, you need to see Obiako. Obiako is not that man you used to know. You need to see how he dealt with us.
Do I need to see the shame that is already standing before me? I thought I had strong and valiant men as sons. I didn't know I had whimpering cowards.
Namaya bro cowards. We are not cowards.
If you are not a coward, what are you? No, tell me, what are you? Look at the mess Obiako made of both of you. You now brought this shame back to the house, me, your father, to watch you in shame like this. Huh? No, answer, since you know how to talk. You couldn't even handle a man whose wife put me in this condition.
Papa, you won't understand. We wanted to surprise him and then go after his wife, but he instead took us by surprise. Papa Obiako is now very strong. He's not the man you used to know.
Papa, and I strongly believe he uses charms.
Reacheal, get away from my face, both of you. Am I not better off without you as sons to fight for me? Eh? Get away. When you talk, you don't talk for Uche. When you talk, you don't talk for Uche.
No.
Me encanta.
Iguantana. Aguantana.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Are you sure?
Why mama urem? Why gawafia urem? Why wuku urem? Urem.
Because you have to buy me. Please, let's concentrate. Open your mouth. Let me open your mouth.
You know I'm hungry. I'll bite your hand. Wait. No, give me now.
Okay, let's go and sit down. Let's go and sit down.
Eat this one first. Eat this one.
Now come and sit down.
Bring this avatar. Please now.
Come now. I'll make a salad for you.
Salad?
Salad okuko.
Urem, the envy of every woman in this village. That's you. You make me so happy.
You're always making me happy.
Thank you.
can't give you bone back. Deserve the best, my love.
You want palm wine?
No.
You want palm wine?
No.
My friend bought me good palm wine. You don't want?
Bring it. I love you so much. I miss my husband. I miss him. Look at what I've brought upon myself. I miss him. How can I stay without my husband? Obiako, I'm sorry. Obiako, I'm sorry. You are such a nice man. I miss him, Maji. Maji, I miss my husband.
Please calm down. Please calm down. Calm down. He'll be back. Please.
When?
Please.
My stubbornness has put me into trouble.
Uremma, please, don't do this to yourself. Calm down.
I miss him. I miss him.
I greet you. And what are you doing here? I want to. Thank you. Obi, how are you?
I am exhausted.
I know. He's hunger. Take food. You will have strength.
Hey, Osondu, you are indeed a great friend. I am lucky to have one like you. Dalo, oh?
He's okay. He's nothing. Eat. You didn't ask me of your wife.
How is the troublesome woman?
She cries over you every night. She wants to come and surrender herself to the Igwe so that you'll be released.
Mbamba. Osondo, please do not let her do that. She cannot do that. Bigwe said, I'll be here long. And I'm ready for whatever punishment he brings my way. I will protect Uremma no matter what it takes. So there's no need of her coming.
Obi, you are indeed a man with a heart of gold. Honestly. And today I know that you have unparalleled love for your wife. And your wife is grateful for that. Just know it. In a short while, you will come out from this place, I believe. Okay?
Let's pray the gods do something.
Don't worry. You will come out of here. Do they give you water?
From where? I thought you had brought water.
Sorry. Please, can you get water to drink?
From where?
Sorry. I'll bring water.
Leave me alone.
Machi, leave me alone.
You are not taking your bath. I thought I told you that there's water at the backyard if you don't want to go to the stream.
I don't want to go to anywhere.
Ray, please. You have refused to take anything. But at least take your bath.
I don't want to take my bath. And I'm not hungry.
Okay, Ray. So, what do you want?
I want to see my husband. It's beginning to hurt me. My husband has been dead for days now. I need to see him. Take me to him if he wants me to be happy.
But you know Obiako would not want that.
I'm sorry you don't know what he wants. He's been there starving.
See, Ray, no. My husband just took food to him a while ago. And Osando has promised to take care of him. But you have to be a little patient, please.
Patient? Machi, did you just say patient? How long? For how long now? He's been there for days. They've been maltreating him, starving him, treating him like an armed robber. Ozurori. Eh? What has he done to deserve all this? I doubt if I can take this any longer.
Uremma, you need to calm down, please. Osondo has promised to take care of him, and if my husband's word still holds water, you know that he will do everything he has promised to do. But you need to try as much as possible to stay away from the king. It's not safe for you.
I think it's the king that will stay away from me. If he crosses my path, hey, I will treat him bad. So instead of him to go and arrest that useless, heartless man that killed my mother, he's there, maltreating my husband. Okwia, Odema, my husband has been in cage for days now. What has he done to deserve that kind of treatment? What? Igwe should not try me. Igwe should not try me. He shouldn't.
Ore, please calm down. Everything will be fine. I beg you, my friend.
You don't understand how I feel.
I do.
Chiji Egina Diga Anaba. You will not understand.
Oh.
Move it. Stop here. Stop.
What are we doing here?
Listen. The king has ordered that you clear this piece of land for him as a first punishment.
All this?
Yes. All this. If it were you, I'll stop asking questions and get to work. Take this. Take this! Get to work. Now! Get to work. Do something!
Start walking, Mr. Man!
Uremma.
Why are you ranting like a mother? What do you want?
What kind of stupid question is that? What gave you the guts to raise a machete on my father? You almost killed him with it.
So he's still alive. Go and thank Chukwu Okike. Because the next time your father tries me in this village, it's his corpse that you people will pack.
Oh, you still have the mouth to talk? How dare you? Eh?
Are you done? Where did you borrow the name from?
It's Godima. It's Godima.
Oh, the good Wagima. It's your Wagima. So you people came to my husband's house to attack me. You people came to attack me. Once to what?
And we're not leaving until you are dead. Okay.
See, I know. It's just a quiet woman. Okay. Simo. So.
Hold. Let me hold.
What's my time?
I will make sure he will.
Sorry, are you hot?
Sorry.
Don't worry. This thing must get to the Igwe.
Shut up your mouth. I thought you were a man. So you could not even cut their neck with this machete. Shut up your mouth.
They ran away. Sorry. Are you hot? Sorry. Where did you go now? My wife told me you left the house. Why? I wanted you to stay in my house so you...
Stay in your house, Kimezi again.
So you will be safe.
Shut up your useless mouth. I'll be safe. You could not even save me from these boys. You saw them going. You didn't deal with them. How am I even certain that you can fight for me even if I'm in your house?
I'm sorry about that, but I must report this thing to the Igwe.
See, let me tell you. Go and talk to Igwe. Go and talk to Igwe. He should better release my husband. If Igwe don't release my husband tomorrow, Maybe I will destroy. I will go to a K market and I'll destroy everywhere. Tell him, talk to him to release my husband.
I will talk to him.
You see it? Nani Okoro sent his sons, his stupid lazy sons, to come and fight me.
I will talk to him. Oh, just be safe for me. Let me go and talk to Igwe. Those boys, they will hear from me.
Safe, Bog. When you cannot even protect me. In a baha, river. In a yellow son, Kisoni Haneme, lazy man, weakly. Send me to Pocanariana. Idiots. Go and talk to Igwe.
Don't worry, I will talk to Igwe.
No problem. So these people had the guts to come and fight me in my own husband's house. Hey! I'm not talking about in this village. You people have begged me. No problem. Because you people came when I'm not prepared. So no problem.
It's mine!
It's mine!
It's mine! Leave it! Izu! Let go!
Obiako!
Omaro!
Obiako, I'm warning you for the last time.
You deserve the self!
I am warning you for the last time, Obiako!
Leave me.
Hey! Shut up! You're destroying the palace! Shut up!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Anyway, the king has ordered for your release. You are now a free man.
The gods be praised. Thank the gods.
Move.
Thank you. I'm still quite confused. I know that Igwe mentioned that I was going to suffer in the pit for a long time. What changed?
Okoro and his sons, they attacked your wife yesterday and tried to rape and kill her.
Eh?
Yes.
They attacked Uremma. I hope they did not hurt her.
No, they didn't. I was lucky enough to get there before they could succeed.
Where are those idiots right now? Where are they?
I reported them to Igwe. So, Igwe ordered for their immediate arrest. You know he doesn't like anything that relates to rape. And he knows that you are being held because of your wife. And they took the laws into their hands. So don't worry. They will go in for it.
I hope they did not hurt Uremma.
No.
I hope she's just fine. You know what? Let me see you in your house later. Let me check up on her.
Okay, my friend. Me and my wife will come and see you later. Okay. Oh? Just be careful and rest.
Hey, Obi. Look at what they did to you.
It's fine.
Hey,
so bad,
I'm so happy to see you. I missed you.
I miss you too. I heard that Mazi Okoro's sons came here to attack you.
They wanted to rape me, but they didn't succeed. I was planning a serious war against them and their father before I heard that Igwe have already arrested them.
It's okay. Though, I missed you.
I missed you, Mom. I'm so sorry for putting you through this. Sorry, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Please forgive me. Okay, let me quickly go and make something very delicious for you.
No.
No, please. Please, I'll put water for you to take your shower. And let me quickly go and my love, come on. I can't see you doing this inside. I'm so sorry.
Fools! That's what both of you are. I gave you a very simple instruction to go and deal with that interpreted woman called Uremma. But no, you can't obey simple instructions. Instead, you went to try raping her.
Papa,
was that what I sent you to do?
It was Odum that suggested we rape her.
Hey, are you mad? Who suggested? Were you not the one that said it had been long you slept with the woman?
Oh, gods of our land. Listen to the nonsense you are vomiting from your mouth. I'm ashamed of both of you. You don't even deserve to be called men. Anyway, come. Give them the greatest punishment of their lives. And in the process, if any of them dies, just call me. Papa? Throw the corpse into the evil forest.
Papa, which corpse?
Useless children.
Papa, Papa, my corpse. Throw my corpse.
Will you shut up there? Come on, keep quiet.
I told you that man is not...
Shut up!
Hey. Urem.
Let me feed you.
So? You're a wonderful cook. But then, Urem, you have changed.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for all the time I didn't treat you right. I'll never hurt you again. I'll never disrespect you again. I'll peacefully be the woman and allow you to be the man. I will assume my position as a woman. Henceforth, I will cook for you, wash dishes, fetch water, sweep the house, and make you happy as a man. Please forgive me. I've realized my mistake.
I have always loved you. I never stopped loving you. Even when you were not acting right, I even loved you more.
I love you too. Thank you. Thank you for this forgiveness. It means a lot to me. My mother is no more. I don't have any sibling. You are all I have.
Yes, you have me.
I just want us to live in peace henceforth. Please, forgive me from your heart.
I forgive you.
Thank you. I love you.
Urem.
Papa, what are you doing here?
Just shut up. Just shut up there. Just shut up. It's because of both of you that I came here. You couldn't achieve a very simple mission I sent you.
Papa, you're still not talking. What? Why did they bring you inside here with us? We know we failed you, so why would they have to bring you here?
I said stop asking me stupid and insane questions. All these useless youths of nowadays, they can't even achieve anything. I sent Wipo and Ebuna on the same mission I sent you, and they also failed. Huh? I don't know how they managed. The two guys bundled him to the Igwe.
And they thought you were bundled here. Papa, no. Welcome.
I will place a curse on you, bless your father, and it will be effective.
If you place a curse on me, he will handle. Have you seen that one, Papa? See, that is the problem we have here. It's not about placing curse.
Papa, welcome.
Papa, on the sunfly here, it's not. It's really terrible. So
you get your own dose very soon.
Do you want this position? With all due respect, I can move for you. Would you like to stand here?
Urem. Ogini. Eh? What did you eat?
Let me go and make something for you to eat now.
Don't worry. I'll prepare the meal. Just go and get some dishes.
I'm coming, huh? Alright. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm pregnant. My friend. You're pregnant? Congratulations, my friend. I'm very happy for you. May the gods of our land be praised. Uri, but why do you tell me such great news with a frown on your face?
I'm worried.
Worried? About what? Is your husband not happy about the pregnancy?
I've not even told him about it.
Why?
Because of his sudden change of attitude. Obiako has been acting strange lately.
Oh. Everybody knows that.
Machi, listen. Obiako defeated 2 hefty men in my presence. He has suddenly become the strongest man in this village. Your husband can attest to it.
True.
He used to be a great fisherman, but he stopped suddenly. I'm worried. This is not the man I married. I need to know the reason behind all this. I need to know why he's acting in such strange manner before I can tell him this. Please, I hope I can confide in you.
Oh, my dear friend. You know you can always trust me. But honestly speaking, Uremma, I don't see anything wrong in you telling your husband about this pregnancy.
I will tell him, but not now. I need to be certain. I need to know what is wrong with him. Please, that's not the man I married.
But I'm happy for you. This is good news. This is good news.
Don't tell anyone, not even your husband.
I see lightning, I see blood, I see fire in the midst of the throne. I see thunder, I see word, I see betrayal consuming the throne.
Agu. Has it been long you are here?
No.
Obi? Is everything alright with you?
Did you see the sword I was holding when you came in? I was holding a sword.
Sword or what?
Yes.
No. Sword for what?
It's my sword. That's what I use as a warrior in the evil forest.
Obi, you have started with this delusion again, oh. What is this one this morning now? Eh? Please, you have to try and stop all this nonsense. Is that what brought you to my farm?
No, I was at your house earlier, but your wife said I would find you in the farm.
What happened?
My wife is sick. I need medicine for her.
Hey, you take her to the herbalist now. They will give her medicine.
I don't know how to get to the herbalist. Please, can you take me?
Okay. I'll take you there. But how serious is it?
It's quite serious. She has headache. and then she has been vomiting. I think it's Iba.
Headache. You are right. It's Iba. Let's quickly go there. I can come back and finish the farm work. What is this thing? Obi, let's go.
How are you feeling?
Better, but I still feel feverish.
Ndo, see, yeah? The concussion that the herbalist gave me. He said it must be Iba with all those signs. Not Gabriel Iba. Have you eaten?
No. I wanted to make food, but I couldn't. I feel so weak.
Ndo, it's the Iba. You know what? Let me go and prepare something for you to eat so that you can take this concoction.
Don't worry. Go to the kitchen, I will join you. Let me take the medication now.
Anyway.
I'm going to see
Oh, come so
I will
madra.
join you.
Hey, Obimo. It's so bitter.
Ndo.
I've finished it. Please come.
You will walk, you will walk.
Hey.
But you should have told me. You shouldn't have kept such a thing from me.
My husband, I'm very sorry. I only learnt about this morning. And Uremma made me promise her not to tell it to anyone.
Obiako came to my farm and told me that Ure is sick. And he needed medicine. I took him to the other herbalist and he was giving medicine for her. What do you think will happen to Uremma now when she takes that medicine?
My husband, nothing will happen. Uremma will not take any concussion from anybody because she knows the implications. She would not.
What if Obina puts it in her food without her knowledge? Don't you think it would damage the pregnancy? He deserves to know. She should have told him. You should have convinced her to tell him.
My husband, I tried. I urged her to. But she insisted that she needed some time, that she will tell him eventually.
How much time? Till when? Eh? Obi that I know will be very glad to know that the wife is pregnant again. Especially after what happened the last time. So, why holding the good news from him? Why?
You're right. But Obiako's sudden change of character is of great concern to her. She said she wanted to convince herself of the man she married. And, my husband, please, let's not even argue about this. A pregnancy cannot be hidden for too long. Everybody will know eventually.
Even after what happened the last time. She shouldn't hide it.
You haven't been looking happy since today. KD4. What is it?
Nothing.
No. You know you are not good with pretense. You cannot say nothing now. If I have done anything wrong, tell me, and I would gladly apologize.
Stop. You haven't, my husband.
K1A4.
I guess it's the sickness. Though I feel relieved after taking the medication you brought for me.
Yo, I'm glad. Don't worry. I'm sure that you'll be fine before the end of today. You know?
I pray so.
Is the medication working?
I feel so blessed and loved.
You know I love you.
I can't even find sleep. When will this nightmares be over? When? When will I lay my hands on that beast Izu again? My people. My people, I need to reconnect with my people. When?
Show yourself! Whoever you are! If you're man enough, show your face! A warrior, a true warrior, is never afraid! Show yourself! I can see you're not man enough. I can see you're afraid. Ah!
Are you alright?
Yes,
You're alright. And you are here with a machete speaking to yourself.
I'm sorry. I have to go now.
My husband.
Hey.
You're back.
My darling wife. How are you?
Welcome. How was the day?
He was fine.
Why is this frown on your face? Don't tell me today is one of your lucky days in the farm.
Look, I
As you can see,
I'm not frowning. I had a very big harvest today at the farm.
That's
Ask me where it is.
That's great news. What is it?
I've sold it. I sold all at the market.
Show me the money. Let me
You
keep
like
it.
money, eh?
me
you
keep
like
it.
money. Keep. It's indeed a great news.
That's a
But
lot of money.
It's okay. It's okay. Keep it. There is something I noticed in your face when I was coming in. You seem a lot more happy than usual. I'm not saying being happy is bad though.
I wonder.
But there's a way you are smiling specially, and I know my wife must be itching to tell me something. What is it?
I have good news for you.
I want to hear it. You have my money, you have my heart, and also my ears. So tell me.
My husband,
Yes.
I have been favored
By whom?
by the gods of our land.
How?
I am with a child. You're going to be a father.
You didn't just say that.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Hey! You mean you are pregnant? Come. May the gods be praised.
He say.
May the gods be praised.
He say.
May the gods be
He
praised.
say.
Hey! Akumo. So, you mean my friend and I will become fathers? Hey!
Osondo.
What a coincidence.
Osondo. You are not meant to tell Obiako about Uremma's pregnancy. Do not forget.
Leave that one. I don't care anymore. We are becoming fathers very soon. Take it out. I'll bring one more. Hey! May the gods be praised.
Hey! The gods of our land be praised.
You say?
No. This is good news.
Yes. Thank you, my
In
brother.
fact, it is the best news I have heard ever.
Thank you, my brother. After 3 years.
3 years?
The gods have decided to smile on us.
Mm.
I'm happy about it.
No. This is a very good thing. It's a good thing.
Thank
And
you,
your
my brother.
wife has been faithful indeed. And I'm happy that you and her kept faith with the gods.
My brother.
Despite all the pressure from your family to get another wife.
My brother. And look at it today. The gods have rewarded our patience. What would I have done? I'm happy. Oh.
I just remembered your bountiful harvest this morning. And the farm, the fish, when we were fishing. I saw how you were just getting all the fishes.
It was a good sign.
A good sign indeed.
of the huge thing that was coming to my family. I'm very happy. I was happy when my wife told me.
Told you what? What did that woman that cannot keep a secret to herself tell you? What did she tell you?
Urem,
Obi,
is anything the matter?
what did she tell you?
I was telling Obi that my wife is pregnant.
His wife is pregnant?
Where's your...
Yeah.
Machi.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
So, very soon you'll be a father.
Yeah, right here.
Sando!
I'm so happy for you. In fact, let me drop this thing. Let me quickly go and see your wife. I'm happy
Thank
for
you.
you. May the gods be praised.
You say,
let's drink! You want more wine?
Hey! Name, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you, my friend. I'm very happy. I was shocked when I found that I was pregnant. Oh, finally, I found favor. The gods of our land have proven they are not asleep.
Exactly. What an astonishing coincidence. Just few days after I told you about mine. May the God's name be praised.
Coincidence, you say? My husband Osondo, oh my, is out and about jubilating with his friends and relations. He's so happy.
It's called for celebration.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. My friend, why don't you tell your husband you're pregnant?
I'll tell him.
When? When your pregnancy becomes obvious for everyone to see?
Don't worry yourself. I need to monitor my husband's behavior first before telling him. But I'll definitely tell him.
Uremma. I told my husband.
Machi, you did what? You told your husband?
Yes. She told me. And she said you didn't want your husband to know. Why?
I'm sorry the way I spoke to you earlier. The truth is, I don't want my husband to know yet. I have my reasons. I'll tell him when I'm ready.
I understand, Ure. Okay? But I really don't like the way you're concealing it from him. It's high time you told him.
Welcome.
I see you are enjoying yourself.
I have to now. After all that good news. Osondu actually left almost immediately you went to his house.
I noticed. I was surprised to even see him there. Because I didn't go to their house straight. I went to meet this woman that lost her husband.
Oh, Amoge.
Yes.
How is she?
She's fine. She's fine.
Odemma. The God gives and takes. How is Machi now?
Machi is fine.
I'm so happy for her.
She sends her regards.
You want to know about it? Want to Urem.
Okay.
You will what was the meaning of the hostility you showed my friend when he was here? Osondu?
I'm sorry, Obi. I'm sorry. You know, I've been very sick and I'm stressed. I'm sorry.
I thought you were getting better.
Yes.
You need to rest, though. In fact, you need plenty of rest. May I go inside and rest while I go and make you something to eat?
No, my love. Let me go and prepare something for us.
We're not going to argue about this. I'll make something for you.
My husband, you've been taking care of me.
Come on, go and rest. Let me spoil you tonight. Go on.
Okay, be the go pay.
I will take care of you. Mom.
Maka.
Oh,
give me the go.
Yeah. Why? Urem, you're not getting better, even after the medicine you took.
I am.
No, you're not, and it's obvious. Huh?
It's just the vomiting.
But it's getting more frequent, and I'm worried. I think I should go back to the herbalist.
No, don't worry. I don't want to take any medication anymore. I'll be fine.
Obiako. Okay, let me go and get you something. One of these herbs to at least stop the vomiting, so that you stop throwing up each time you eat.
I'll be fine.
Biko, no. Let me go and get you herbs. It will stop the vomiting. Nabia, you know? Nabia.
Obi, I don't think you should do this, okay? Why not respect our decision by keeping this thing away from our husband?
No, I cannot keep pretending. It's high time she told Obi that she's pregnant with his child. It's not fair now. It's not fair.
Uremma told me in confidence, and I betrayed her by telling you, because I'm not going to keep things away from you.
She should not keep things away from her husband.
It's not our business.
It's now our business, because Obiako is my friend. I don't like betraying my friends. Yes, I have to tell him the truth. Let her tell him so that he will be happy.
But she said she will.
When the pregnancy becomes obvious? What are you saying? It's high time she told him. He will be happy as a man and as a father.
Obim.
Listen, I am going straight to tell Obiako. Obiako needs to know that the wife is pregnant. Yes, I'm going to tell him. That's what I'm going to tell him now.
My wife.
My wife is pregnant. Osonda. Obi. My wife is pregnant and you know about it?
Believe me. I was coming to tell you. Obiako. You've seen it now. You've seen what you and your friend caused. Instead of him to be happy with such good news, he's angry. Obiako.
Is there any problem? Why are you not saying a word to me?
When were you going to tell me?
Tell you what?
Osondo and Machi told me everything. So there's no point still pretending.
I'm sorry. Yes, it's not like I kept it away from you. I said I was going to tell you about it.
Uremma. So, you didn't want to tell me that you are pregnant for another man?
May the gods of our land forbid. My love, don't talk like that. How can I be pregnant for another man? It's a taboo. You are responsible for this our child I'm carrying in my womb.
My child? Our child. Our child. Indeed. Indeed, it's our child. So if you were pregnant for me, why didn't you want to tell me? Why?
I'm sorry.
So if not for Osondo and his wife, you would have waited until it becomes obvious to tell me. Eh? Uremma?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, my husband. I said...
Don't touch me. You can save the lies. You can save it for the man you're pregnant for.
No, it's you I'm pregnant for. Please, my love, I'm sorry I didn't tell you before now. I'm sorry.
I'm done. I don't even know you. Woman, I do not know who you are. I've never known you. You are just a dream I am trapped in.
Please.
And I cannot wait for it to end.
Please.
I cannot wait for it to end. You're just a dream. Yes, you're just a dream that I'm trapped in.
My husband. Please, please. I'm sorry. My love, I'm sorry.
Hey! Obimo! Hey, Chimo. My husband! Hey, my husband, my leg.
Okay.
I mistakenly stepped on a thorn.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Hi!
Hey, don't touch it.
Don't.
Please, quickly go to the farm and get me some dogoyaro leaf so I
Dogoyaro?
can squeeze it and place it on it.
Shouldn't I at least clean it with water?
No, my husband, just go. Just go. Dogoyaro leaf, oh.
I'll be back, eh?
Oh. Hey. Be careful, my husband.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hey. Hey. Ah.
have searched everywhere. I cannot find any Dogonyaro tree. Where did they all go to? Hey. And there's no way I can go back to Uremma now without that leaf. Does it mean there's no Dogoyaro tree in this whole community? No! No! No, no! Take me back! Take me back! I need to go back to Uremma! My wife! Take me back now! She needs that Dogoyaro herb! Now! Please! I beg you! Please! Umaru.
What is his offense?
Highness, he was caught stealing from your farm.
Enya, is that true?
Yes, Your Highness, that's the truth. I've been starving with my mother and my sister since you took our land away from us. So I had no choice but to steal. But I'm sorry, please, I'm sorry.
I asked for your sister. You and your mother refused. Aokuya? Odom?
Highness.
Take him away and chop off his hand.
Please, Your Highness, please.
Odom. Chop off his head. And feed his body to the vultures.
Please, Your Highness.
Stand up.
Please. Your Highness, please. I will not steal again now, please.
I will just give me your sister, you will not. I beg you for your life.
I see lightning, I see blood, I see fire in the midst of the throne. I see thunder, I see word, I see betrayal consuming the throne.
No. Obiako, this must be a ghost. Depart from me.
No, Obinna, it is me, your brother. I am alive.
No, you are dead. And I command you to depart from me.
No, I am alive. Believe me. Flesh and blood. You see?
Obiako.
I'm alive.
Obiako.
Obinna.
Obiako. Obiako. Obiako.
Hey, Obinna, I have missed you so much.
I thought you were dead. Everybody thought you were dead. We mourned you.
One name. I do not blame you or anybody for mourning me. I was away for so long. But I'm back. Alive and well.
Good to see you. What happened?
It's a long story. Let us go home. I will tell you all about it. You know? Who is king now?
Izu. He became king after he returned with the ancestral tusk. He told us you were dead.
Odema. Let's
Good
go.
to see you.
Look at you. You have put on so much weight.
I see lightning, see blood, I see fire in the midst of the throne. I see thunder, I see word, I see betrayal consuming the throne.
Who are you, young man? Who do you want to see?
My name is Obiako. I want to see your king.
Does my king know you are coming?
Go in there and tell your king that Obiako is here to see him.
Wait, young man. Does my king know you are coming? That's the question. Wait, young man. What's wrong with you?
Obiako. Obiako. Is this you?
It is me. Flesh and blood. I am back.
Where have you been? What happened? Please come have a seat, my friend.
There will be no need for that. I hear you are now king of Umaro. I came to see for myself.
Well, a lot has happened since you disappeared into thin air. Come, my friend. I have fresh palm wine and meat for you. I can organize the dancers to give you a warm reception, my friend. Come.
Your dear friend indeed. I will take my leave now.
I see lightning, I see blood, I see fire in the midst of the throne.
That bastard was here today.
Who?
Obiako. Obiako.
What?
I wish it was his ghost I saw, but it was him in flesh and blood.
But you told me he was gone. You told me he was gone and would not return.
I saw a mysterious tree swallowed him up at the evil forest. I guess he somehow managed to come out of it.
Do I need to tell you he came for his throne?
Which I will never give to him. And don't ask me to do so, because I will not give up this throne for anybody.
I will never ask you to give up a throne for a man who spat on my face.
And he was serious about it. And I am sure that will never change.
I don't care. I don't love him. In fact, he can die for all I care. To me, he is dead. And Izu, if I were you, I will start thinking of eliminating that man.
Exactly why I sent for you. Now I am sure you have no feelings for him.
Obiako.
If it is time, he disappears forever.
Obiako.
Obinna, you should get married. Yes.
I am waiting for you, my brother.
No, Mba. Time waits for no man. If you find a woman that your heart beats for, it's fine. You have my blessings. Ilugonu.
So, you mean to tell me that Izu fought you on your way back from the evil forest?
To my greatest shock. Izu said he followed me on the mission because he thought I was going to marry his sister after I become the king. That he wants to also be in line with royalty. And I said to him, I have no interest in marrying your sister. He took offense and pulled his sword for a fight. I tried to defend myself. Ended up on a mysterious tree. That was the last thing I remember.
Izu came back and told me that you were consumed by a beast. He lied to everybody and we crowned him the king. Since he became the king, he has unleashed all forms of wickedness and tyranny on our people. This village is in serious trouble, and I'm sure they will be shocked to hear what he did to you.
Nezianizu. I remember how we grew up together, right from childhood.
I am so disappointed in him.
How? How did he turn this way?
Obiako! Obiako!
What is it? What do you want from my household?
I'm not here for you. Obiako, the great King Izu sent us to bring you. So you better come with us.
What for?
I'm not here for you, man.
What for?
I advise you, young man, step aside or we'll be forced to use our sword on you.
No.
You!
I'm busy.
Can you fight me? Can you?
Calm down. Be calm. I'll go with them.
No. The king wants to kill you, and I won't let that happen.
Uba, he cannot kill me. I will get an answer, Izu. You know what to do if you do not see me before night.
Obiako, my friend. So you think you can appear from anywhere, from nowhere, and take over my throne, huh?
Your throne?
Mm.
If it is indeed your throne, why did you get scared at my sight? Izu, you obviously stole it.
It would have been yours if you didn't spit at my face and that of my sister. After opening your thankless mouth to say in my face that you will not marry my sister, after risking my life with you at the evil forest. Mm.
So you brought her here to gloat?
You bastard. How dare you? After showing you so much love and care, you had the guts, the effrontery to tell my brother that you can't marry me.
Yes, your brother followed me to the evil forest. But that was for our land. For our great kingdom, Umaro. It wasn't for me. I have told you, I do not love your sister. And there is no way I will marry her. I have said it before, and I will say it again. I will not marry her. My heart belongs to another, and she's with child.
You can jump into the evil forest with her for all I care. I don't love you anymore. I hate you. I hate you. I hate the air you breathe. I hate everything about you. Obiako, you disgust me. What are we waiting for? To kill this beast?
No. I want him to suffer starvation and die your fate. You say you have a wife and a son, huh? I will send the warriors to go in search of them. And when they find them, I am sure you will be happy to die in this condition with them. Let us go.
You haven't seen the last of this!
Keep quiet.
King, my foot!
I said keep quiet.
I'm sure you all must have heard my brother returned.
I am still very surprised over this news. Is it true?
Yes. He got the ancestral tusk with the help of Izu. But on their way back, Izu asked him to marry his sister. And when he refused, Izu fought him.
You mean Izu fought your brother?
Yes. And he left him to die when he was trapped by a tree. He came back and lied to us that he was consumed by a beast.
Brothers, this is unacceptable. So, Izu has been sitting on that throne and he's not the rightful king.
He lied to us and we crowned that tyrant a king. Most of us have lost our parents to the tyrant Izu. Our land's taken away from us and we are dying of starvation. That is why I need your help to get my brother back and crown him the king.
Where is your brother now?
He was arrested by the palace guard.
What? We need to get him out of there immediately.
Brothers, we need to involve the elders before taking any action.
No, we don't need the elders. Remember, they were excommunicated and punished. It is high time we take our kingdom back from that tyrant.
I see lightning, I see blood, I see fire in the midst of the throne. I see thunder, I see word, I see betrayal consuming the throne. Yeah. Oh yeah. And as always, yeah.
Izu! Thank the gods I met you here.
How dare you call me by my first name?
Is that not your name?
I am your king!
You are not my king! You are a heartless beast that stole the throne of Umaru village.
King, allow me.
Hold on. Wait. Before I deal with you, I will want to know the reason for this insult.
That land does not belong to you. That land was handed over to me by my late father. I feed myself from that land and my family feed from that land too.
So the reason for your shouting and your singing of my name is because of a mere piece of land.
If it were a mere land, you will leave it for me. You will not send laborers there to destroy my crops and destroy everything that I have.
Check him properly. And I was wondering how long he would listen to his stupid utterances before ending his miserable life.
I made a mistake. I would have given a more painful death. This is a very, very easy death. You just sleep in, my friend. You would have begged. You would have begged to die. You're calling me by my first name.
Because of land. Oh, Obiago. As I was saying, get married. Get married.
Benya.
Okay.
Yes. Hold it here.
Okay.
Yes. And you aim.
Mm. There, exactly.
Boom.
Just like that.
That is it.
Your Highness. Your Highness.
Why are you panting like one that saw an evil spirit?
Your Highness, Hobin and the youth and some youth, they attacked the palace. So to free Obiako's brother.
I hope you killed him.
No, Your Highness. Your Highness, they killed Onyeka. They killed Onyeka and I had to escape to report to you.
They killed Onyeka and you had to report to me. Ekwa, you did a good job. You are panting.
Oh, I tried.
You tried. It is showing from your body language you tried. That is why you are vibrating. Ngozi, kill him. Same way I taught you, kill him. You are there. They freed Obiako. And you ran to come and tell me that they have killed Obiako.
I'm worried. I am worried. Eh? I think we should alert the warriors to assemble in the palace. I mean, they should assemble in the palace immediately.
Leave the warriors out of this. I am King Izu. I have seen more obstacles in the Nivu forest than these warriors you are seeing everywhere. It is my fight. Fear not.
Oh, let's go now. Let's go. We're standing there.
Ah, Obiako. So you are still here after killing my guards, huh?
This is not your palace. It belongs to the people of Umaro.
I am the king of Umaro, and which makes this palace my home.
Izuna, you know nothing about kingship. And I have come to liberate the people of Umaro from your wicked rule.
Obiako, nothing can be done to take away this throne from me.
So? I did not want to fight you. Step aside now, you still have a chance to.
Oh, you have to fight, my dear friend. Adam!
We can help you fight him. You don't have to do this alone.
Leave us alone.
Ah!
Should I kill her?
No. Put her in the cage. She would be tried for treason.
Take her. Take her away.
Take her away now.
Take her. Take her away.
Our land is safe, and our people owe you their lives.
I have missed the people of Umaro.
I thought the youths were going to be against Izu's death, but they were all happy to see him die.
No evil king lasts on the throne. They hated Izu. There is no way they wouldn't have wanted him dead.
Izu was very wicked, callous and greedy to our people. He got a well-deserved death.
You're right.
And you should be getting ready to take over the leadership of our people. What is it?
Obi, I am not interested in the throne of Umaro.
Why?
There is something I did not tell you. When I was trapped in the mysterious tree, I appeared in a strange land, Umuchu.
Umuchu. I've never heard of such village.
Same as the people of Umuchu, they have never heard of Umaro. And to my greatest shock, I had existed in that land before. And I had a wife, a troublesome one.
Are you serious?
I am. My wife just lost our child when I got there. I had a friend, Osondu, and his wife. They were very supportive. We were like family. My wife had an injury before I left. I was in search of the herb that would help her in healing before the mysterious tree caught up with me again.
Brother, how are you sure she's still alive? Our people need you.
The people of Umaro would respect my decision on the kingship of this land. You have the support of the youth. They will not hesitate to make you king.
I still do not want you to go.
Obi, please. I have to. I am so sorry I have to leave you so soon for a long time. But please, assume your responsibility as Igwe of Umaro. And promise that you will do a good job at it. Biko. Would I ever find this mysterious tree again? I know Uremma would be waiting for me.
Gods of my ancestors! Please, take me back. Take me back to Umuchu. This last time, I prefer the life I had with Uremma. Please. She is with child, and I love her. Please, I beg of you, one last time. Please. 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 Gods of my ancestors, thank you! Be praised! Remember!
What is all this? For past 2 days, I've not set my eyes on my husband, and you people are here telling me to calm down.
Calm down. We will be here.
When?
Calm down, oh.
Calm down.
We will soon come.
When? Ewa! My love is back!
Hey!
I'm so happy to see you. What happened? You kept me worried for good 2 days now. You did not even tell me where you were going to.
I'm sorry. I went to get the Weyaro leaf like you asked me to. Eh? But I had some other things to sort out. But it's all sorted now. Uremma, I missed you.
I missed you.
What happened to the leg?
He's healed.
Hey!
No.
Hey! Osondo!
My friend.
Uremma! I miss you! Hey! Itabugo!
I was scared.
You great man.
Welcome.
Hey!
Welcome.
Come on, hug your wife. I thought one man I smashed you.
What's your man? You're my one and only. My for now. I miss all your troubles. So.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Destiny may be delayed, never be denied. No matter how long it takes to come, what's yours is yours and what's mine is mine. Uguchukuturumu marabugi naramia emenu mana uchechigeme